In our modern society, we are constantly bombarded with an overwhelming amount of digital stimuli that captivate our attention and consume our time. The allure of social media, video games, and the ever-present notifications on our smartphones can leave us feeling trapped in a cycle of instant gratification and relentless distractions. However, there is a growing movement that seeks to break free from these addictive patterns and restore a sense of balance in our lives. It's called dopamine detox. Dopamine detox, also known as a dopamine fast, involves intentionally abstaining from activities that provide immediate pleasure and trigger dopamine release in our brains. This practice aims to reset our dopamine levels and rewire our neural pathways, allowing us to regain control of our attention, emotions, and overall well-being. At its core, dopamine detox is about consciously disconnecting from the constant barrage of digital stimuli and finding solace in the present moment. By reducing or eliminating activities such as social media scrolling, binge-watching TV shows, or indulging in unhealthy food cravings, individuals create space for self-reflection, self-awareness, and personal growth. The benefits of dopamine detox are multifaceted and can positively impact various aspects of our lives. Enhanced productivity and focus. By removing distractions and limiting the consumption of dopamine-inducing activities, we can redirect our energy towards tasks that truly matter. This newfound focus allows us to delve deeper into our work, increase productivity, and accomplish more in less time. Restored mental clarity. Excessive exposure to digital stimulation can lead to mental clutter and a fragmented thought process. Dopamine detox provides an opportunity to declutter our minds and gain clarity. We can regain a sense of perspective, prioritize our goals, and make decisions with greater clarity and purpose. Emotional reconnection. Dopamine detox encourages us to step away from the constant pursuit of instant gratification and reconnect with our emotions. By removing the numbing effects of digital distractions, we can experience a wider range of emotions, appreciate simple pleasures, and cultivate a greater sense of gratitude and contentment. Self-discipline and willpower. Engaging in dopamine detox requires discipline and willpower. By consciously resisting the allure of immediate pleasure, we can develop resilience, strengthen our self-control, and create healthier habits that extend beyond the detox period. This newfound discipline can positively impact our personal and professional lives. Embarking on a dopamine detox journey requires careful planning and intention. Start by setting clear goals and defining the duration of your detox. It can range from a few hours to several days, depending on your comfort level. Create a schedule that replaces dopamine-inducing activities with more fulfilling alternatives, such as engaging in hobbies, spending time in nature, practicing mindfulness, reading, or connecting with loved ones. Ultimately, dopamine detox is an invitation to reclaim our autonomy, restore balance, and rediscover what truly brings us joy and fulfillment. It empowers us to break free from the grips of digital overstimulation and regain control over our lives. By nurturing a healthier relationship with pleasure and embracing the beauty of the present moment, we can embark on a transformative journey towards greater self-awareness, well-being, and a more meaningful existence.